Hi, this is Matt Landis, and we'd like to look at the new Snom M9 Softphone for Windows. The new Snom M Softphone is a softphone that works with the Snom 1 phone system. It fills the need that currently Snom 1 only allows Snom devices. So if you wanted to use a softphone, it was limited to 2 in the free edition and several more in the paid editions. And this softphone will allow you to have more than that limited non-Snom device limit. So let's take a look at the Snom Phone. You can get it by going to the link, downloading it, installing it. We'll ask you to register. It seems like you need to do that or you'll keep getting a screen that'll pop up. But then once you run it, it runs and looks like the Snom M9. Using it is fairly straightforward. You can just dial the number and click dial, and it will call your phone. Some of the things we take for granted: this is a very initial release. It's I would say it seems almost like a beta. There are some things that aren't working quite right. For example, dialing. If you hit enter to dial, I mean, you can dial on the key, the number digits above the keypad, but not in the dial pad area of your keyboard. And when you hit enter, it hits a backspace instead of dialing. So probably for simplicity's sake, just dial right from the keypad. That does work. You can dial someone else. Currently, the soft keys and the rocker keys don't appear to work. And while this is a Snom M9 or emulating or looking like simulating a Snom M9, really the only features you have is making calls. Like RSS feeds is something that people with Snom M9s have liked, and some other little applications. Really it just calls. The other features are not there. And to get access to things like Do Not Disturb, there's not a key for it. You just go down here in the notification area. You can also dial number from there, and you can also open the administrator console, which looks just like this. Password by default is a minute password. You can change that to be secure. And there you see it looks a lot like it looks just like the Snom M9, and there are some items in here like deck related items that don't work. The maintenance, updating the firmware, I doubt works either. It's a click once app, so I think it should update when you run it. I'm not 100% sure if that's working currently. But back to the Softphone. So let's just make a quick call. So I'll have another phone called this phone. We'll call it. Notice you get a little pop up here, and we'll click on that. Okay. And now we're in a call, as you can see there, and you can right click. Now you have some more buttons here. You can do things like end call, put the call on hold, transfer a call to another extension. It saves the last one transferred. So you get some more items as they become relevant. So we could put the call on hold and then resume a call. I noticed some issues related to that also, so you might have to click resume a call twice to get it to resume. So there you have it. I think that's pretty much the new Snom M9. What this adds to the Snom product line is you have a softphone that will work with Snom 1, and if you can use, it's not limited like other softphones that are not Snom softphones. I might add that this product is pretty new. I'm presuming there's going to be some improvements to it. There are some little bugs. Just taking a look here if there's anything that I should mention here. Snom also released a while ago a Snom 360 Softphone for Windows. That is not a supported product.